Hey guys, it's Rita and I'm participating in a collab today, so hang tight and I'll tell you all about it. Okay, so this collab is hosted by Drea with Clueless Mama D and Rhea with Rhea's World of Ideas. They have asked us to create a $5 Dollar Tree DIY, which means we cannot spend over $5 and the items have to be from a Dollar Tree, a dollar store, Dollarama. You get the idea. So today I'll show you the items I'll be using. I'll be using this garland from Dollar Tree. It's the first item. This flower pick from Dollar Tree as well. I'll be using some burlap ribbon. I don't know if I'm going to use this orange. I have a brown and also a red, so we'll see as we get into it. That's the fourth item, and then here's number 5, which is a hat from Dollar Tree. So 1, 2, 3, 4, I have $4, so I have $1. I'll see how it goes, and if I need to use that other $1, I'll let you know what I use. So let's begin. Okay, I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm working in a different area today. But first I'm going to, of course, cut off the tag, take off these pom-poms. Got my hot glue gun, have a paint pen, and have some markers. So let me grab some scissors and I'll be right back. Okay, so what I'm doing here is pushing the top down right here, and I will be hot gluing that. Okay, I knew I was missing something. Here's my 5th item, raffia. Now I did see this on Pinterest, so I want to give credit where credit's due. Maybe the glare is a little bit better. I need to draw a face, and there's no room for error on this, so I think I'm going to grab a pencil and do that. Okay, so I'm attempting to draw a face on here with a pencil, and it ended up that I could not see the pencil marks, so I did just go ahead and use the paint pen. Now I will be using the raffia as the hair, and you'll see in the video that if you do this, put this through before you glue the hat down. I did manage to get it through, but it would have been a lot easier if I had put it through before I glued it down. We all make mistakes, so I just wanted you to see this one. Now I'll begin adding the leaves, sunflowers. I'll have a few little picks on here that I'll be adding as well. I think there's some berries, a cattail, different little leaves. And here's how it looks so far. It's turning out pretty cute. Okay, so now I have to make a ribbon, and I cannot make ribbons, but we're gonna give it a try. And now I'm just adding a few more leaves and we're almost complete. Okay, so almost time for the big reveal. So here it is, guys. I think it turned out really adorable. I would like to thank Drea and Rhea for hosting this collab. And don't forget to check out their channels. In the description box below, I will leave the link, as well as the link to the playlist so you can see what all the other creators have come up with. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks to my subscribers for showing your support. And if you haven't subscribed, I'd love to have you. Hit that notification bell to be notified of upcoming videos. And until next time, guys, have a wonderful day. I will see you in the next video.